Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Ginux Solar LED wall light with PIR sensor. This is the butterfly version of it, and it looks really cool. It's a 4 watt plus 500 lumen powered IP65 cordless automatic front and back light shining solar powered wall lights. Beautiful as a butterfly. It is solar powered, automatic on and off function, long lightning time, and zero electricity bill. Oh yeah, that's cool. IP65 waterproof, cordless to install, and a really good thing is battery replaceable and PIR detective. We can have only one button operation. We have mode A, when the battery's power is greater than 30%. The lamp automatically lights up at the night and turns off full brightness, 500 lumen, when the motion is detected in the range of 6 meters. And then it dims to 3% of brightness, front and back light both on, after 20 seconds of no motion. And the mode A is to enter with only push once on the button. When the battery power is less than 30%, the lamp automatically lights up at night and turns off full brightness, 500 lumen, when the motion is detected in the range of 6 meters. And then it dims to 3% of brightness, front light or back light on, after 20 seconds of no motion. You see? Really cool. And of course, mode B. You push 2 times on the button. The lamp automatically lights up at the desk, more than 30 lux, and remains 50% of brightness. After 5 hours, or when the battery power is less than 30%, it turns to energy saving mode, which is the lamp automatically turns to 50% of brightness when motion is detected in a range of 6 meters. Then it dims to a lower brightness, front light and is off, the back light is on after 20 seconds of no motion. You see, it's really cool and smart. This Butterfly Series device is really beautiful. Do we also have the problem that we don't have enough lighting in the garden or on the terrace after sunset? Or have we are looking for an environmentally friendly and cost-effective solution for it? Then the Ginux Butterfly Series solar lamp is just the right for us. This lamp is not only environmentally friendly and cost-effective, but also it has a replaceable battery indeed. This means that we will enjoy this device for a long time. In addition, the two-sided light is a real eye-catcher and creates a pleasant atmosphere, and convince ourselves of the advantage of the Ginux Butterfly Series. The solar lamp is secure, our own today. This garden and terrace light will thank us with a beautiful shining at night. The Ginux Butterfly solar lamps for outside with motion detector. And the waterproof. That means IP65 rated solar spotlight for outdoor is heat resistant and not only impresses with its design and bright light, but also with its robust workmanship. The solar lamp is made of high quality ABS materials and polycarbonate. The solar outdoor lamp with motion detector and front and rear light offers 120 degrees wide angle lighting, and it is perfect for the garden, balcony, entrance area, and much more. Extremely weather resistant. Thanks to the integrated 2000 mAh sunlight powered battery, the Ginux Solar Wall Light only requires a lithium-ion battery. The battery is also replaceable. And this satisfaction is the goal of Ginux. For this reason, the waterproof solar lamp with motion detection is checked and extensively tested by Ginux for the highest quality and best workmanship. And it looks really good, and it feels really good, and it makes a good job. It's a solar light-emitted diode wall light with sensor. 4 watt power, 500 lumen of brightness. The lamp dimensions are 211.1 to 140 to 114.8 millimeter. LEDs are built in SMD2835 LEDs, 56 pieces of this. And the front side, 54 pieces, and the back side, 2 pieces. And we have a lithium-ion battery installed. You can replace it by using a new 18650 battery. 3.7 volt, 2000 milliampere hour, 7.4 kilowatt hour. Oh yeah, 7.4 watt hour. And we have a solar panel. The solar panel is 2.4 watt, DC 5.5 volt, mono with a tempered glass. A good solar panel here. Wow. We have working modes, 2 options, 1 top or 2 pushes, and charging time is 12 up to 15 hours to full charge while we use the solar power. The lightning time, the sensor mode, 35 hours plus, based on 300 times of detection. We keep lightning mode 30 hours plus, based on 200 times of detection. The PIR detection angle and distance are 120 degrees from 2 up to 6 meters. The IP degrees is IP65 waterproof, so you can use it outdoor. The housing material is ABS, PC, and anti-UV, so this is a good material. The installation height is round about 2 up to 4 meters, as you like. The working temperature is from -20 up to 50. So, this is the real thing in Europe. The storage temperature from 0 up to 45, and it's all in the box what you will need. We have 2 modes. When the battery power is greater than 30%, the lamp automatically lights up at the night and turns off turns to the full brightness while detection of motion. Sensor mode number 1. Number 2 is the power is less than 30%. The lamp automatically lights up at the night and returns to full brightness when motion is detected. Awesome. And mode 2 is keep lighting mode. That means the lamp automatically lights up at the task and remains 50% of brightness. After 5 hours, it will dim a little bit. Really cool. We have wide applications: garden, pathway, parking lot, holiday resort, school, scenic areas, squares, villa, entrance, fans, courtyard, balcony, garage, swimming pool, but not underwater, stairs, farm, pavilion, gates, community areas, pasture, hotel, where you will need a little bit of light. You can install this really cool Ginux solar LED wall light with PIR sensor, and it is solar powered. It makes a really cool job, and it looks like a butterfly. Front and back light shining, and it's beautiful as a butterfly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.